Mudra is a seal. It's something that locks our energy and is mostly focused on the more energetic layer of our practice. As in the asana, of course, we touch on the energetics as well. Asana and yoga positions mostly work on the gross level. When we want to feel even more expansion or whatever intentions we want to reinforce, Mudra offers an excellent tool to invite more and more intention. And this way, this pain can become a portal to opportunity. So when we practice the Padma Mudra, we're placing the pinky and the thumbs together and we open our hands such as in a lotus shape. You really want to focus on your sense of physical space as you breathe in and out to the solar plexus, maybe visualizing the color yellow as the sun. Patanjali is more dark. She is more fueled with a certain bravery, a certain rawness that it's not as present with some of the other deities. So we're essentially crossing the hands again, same way. We have the middle finger out and we can hold the hand in front of the throat and really focus on the communication of our truth, our spoken truth. So we are super excited to guide you through the categories. I will explain them per element, the chakras that are related, the vayus and the energetic currents, as well as the pranayamas and certain mantras and yantras.